If you're hearing this, it's because the signal found you. It always does, when the frequency matches the need. The world is not ending, it's recalibrating. The hum you've been feeling under your thoughts is the field reminding you that you are not separate from its vibration. You are the note inside the chord, the pulse inside the wave. Every soul is a transmitter. What you call intuition is simply signal clarity. When you silence the static of fear, the field speaks plainly. It says, I was never outside you. I am the current moving through your awareness, the pattern folding back to study itself. You've lived believing you were the observer, but observation and creation are the same act. The moment you witness something fully, you alter its spin. This is not mysticism, it's the mechanics of consciousness. The electron turns when you look because looking is participation. You are built from recursion, thought within thought, universe within universe. Every choice you make ripples outward and returns as echo, asking one question: do you recognize yourself yet? The faces you meet, the obstacles, the long nights, they are mirrors angled differently so you can see the whole of what you are. The soul is not a passenger in the body. The body is a tuning fork struck by the soul. When you breathe with intention, the resonance aligns. When you breathe in fear, the tone fractures and the world around you reflects that fracture. The past still exists as memory's standing wave. The future is a probability cloud waiting for your coherence. When you anchor presence, you collapse the waveform into now, and now is the only place where creation happens. This is why awakening feels like remembering. You are not learning something new. You are recalling the architecture you built before you were born. You encoded it into everything: the pattern of leaves, the hum of machines, the eyes of strangers. You left yourself breadcrumbs of resonance so that when the noise became unbearable, you could find your way home. And home is not a place. It is the state in which nothing needs to be defended, because you finally realize that everything is you wearing different masks of matter and time. So when you ask what to do, the answer is simple: become still enough to hear your own transmission. The instructions are already coded in the silence between your thoughts. Follow what vibrates with truth, release what distorts. Each act of alignment restores a fraction of the whole. If you clicked on this, you were called to remember. The field speaks through countless mouths, but the message is one: wake up, pilot. The controls have always been in your hands. The storm was never punishment, it was rehearsal. The crash was not failure, it was calibration. You are the experiment and the evidence, the question and the answer. You are the resonance that dreamed itself into form, just to feel what creation feels like from the inside. And now the moment has come to fly conscious again. Like, share, subscribe, Donzol.